SG to visit the annual Thanksgiving Day of the 12 Apostles Church in Christ on the 1st of December in Bloemfontein in the Free State Province. We extend our appreciation to all members of the 12 Apostles Church in Christ and Chief Apostle Dr. Caesar Nonmunga for the hospitality and for accepting our invitation to attend the first anniversary activities and program on the 15th and 16th of December 2024. On Saturday, the 7th of December 2024, President Jacob Zuma led a delegation which included the Secretary General, the DSG, and the National Chair to visit Ibandla Lama Nazareth, which is the Nazareth Baptist Church under the capable leadership of uShembe. And President Jacob Zuma also held very strategic meetings and engagements with important royal leadership in South Africa. All these activities constitute the core political and liberation program of Umkhonto weSizwe, which fully recognizes the role of royal, traditional, and religious leadership in South Africa. Our constitution, the constitution of Umkhonto weSizwe, commits to the recognition of royal, traditional, and religious leadership in society as a whole. All provinces, as we have emphasized, held different programs at branch, VD, sub-regional, and regional levels. And what is worth noting of all these programs is the people's meeting that took place on Saturday, the 7th of December in Khayelitsha, in Cape Town. And what is worth noting as well is the handover of 2 houses by the King Tetwayo region of Umkhonto weSizwe to destitute families in the region.